In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a Miro template. By the end of this guide, you'll have a personalized template set up for your unique needs on Miro, giving your board that tailored touch. Let's jump right in and get started. First, you'll want to add a template to your board. Begin by opening a board in Miro. If you're new to Miro, this is your digital workspace where you can brainstorm, plan, and visualize ideas collaboratively. Once your board is open, direct your attention to the left toolbar. There, you'll find the templates icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up an entire library of pre-made templates designed for various uses, from project planning to brainstorming sessions. It's a fantastic resource for getting a head start on your project. Now, using the search bar, you can type in a specific type of template you're looking for, or you can browse and explore to see what inspires you. Once you've found a template that suits your needs, simply click on it, and then click on Use Template. This action will add the template to your board, and you're ready for the next exciting step. Now that the template is on your board, it's time to edit the template content to make it truly yours. You can customize every aspect to better fit your project. Start by editing the text. To do this, simply double-click on any text box or sticky note you want to modify. This makes the text editable, allowing you to replace the default text with your own words. It's a small tweak that can make a big difference in personalization. Feel free to add or remove elements within the template to suit your needs. If there are unnecessary items, you can click on them once and hit delete. Alternatively, if you want to rearrange something, just click and drag it to your desired location. This flexibility makes it easy to create a layout that feels right to you. You can also change the colors of shapes, sticky notes, and backgrounds. This can significantly impact the visual appeal and clarity of your board. To alter a color, select the element you wish to change and a color palette tool will appear. You can then choose a color that matches your brand or personal preference. Want to make it even more comprehensive? Add new sections, frames, or components to your board. This is particularly useful if you foresee additional areas of focus in your project. Miro allows you to integrate these seamlessly. Lastly, replace placeholders with your own content. Drag your images, documents, or links to the placeholder areas to make the template reflect the specifics of your project. This step is crucial for ensuring the board is functional and informative. And there you have it. By following these steps, your Miro board template will be tailored precisely to your project's needs. Enjoy creating and customizing, and I hope this guide makes your Miro experience even smoother.